Okay, good morning class. My name is Teacher Elisa. Can you please say hi, Teacher Elisa? Okay, now can you please hi also to your classmate? So say good morning. Now, today we're going to study about another letter, and that is the first letter of the alphabet. But first, can we have some recall about the vowel letters? What are the 5 vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U. Letter A says A. Letter E says E. Letter I says E. Letter O says O. Letter U says But before we do that, we're going to say hi first to the first vowel letter. Say hi, letter A. Okay, but are you ready to have some game first before we start our new lesson? The game now is the title of the game is the Tell and Search game. Now, I'm going to call a person and teacher will describe the picture and you're going to look around the classroom and you're going to get the picture that I am describing. Are you ready? Are you all good today? How about, are you cute? Are you strong? Are you smart? I'm going to tap the table and you're going to say, I'm good. Everybody. Okay, good morning. And I am Teacher Elisa. Can you please say hi, Teacher Elisa? Okay, how about your classmates? Can you please hi to your classmates? Say hi. Say good morning. Okay, how are you today? Are you good? Yes. Now, today we're going to discuss a new lesson. And our new lesson, it is something that you can find in the first part of the alphabet. What's the first letter of the alphabet? Letter? A. All together, say letter A. But, can we have some simple recall about the vowel letters? What are the 5 vowel letters? A, E, I, O, and U. What is the sound of letter A? Letter A says A. How about letter E? Letter E says E. Letter I says E. Letter O says O. Letter U says But we're going to discuss first only one letter. The first letter of the alphabet and the first letter of the vowel letter. What is that letter? Letter A. Very good. Everybody say, I'm good. Again. I'm good. How about I'm cute? I'm cute. How about I'm strong? I'm strong. How about I'm smart? I'm smart. Okay. But before we do that, I'm going to give you a game. Who wants to play a game? Yay! But before we have our game, I want you all to please be quiet and just listen to me, okay? Now, the first thing that we're going to do is, I'm going to call a person and I'm going to describe a picture. You're going to look around the classroom and you're going to get that picture on the wall and give it to me. Are you ready? The first picture now, it is something that you can eat. It is color red, and that is an apple. This is an apple. How about the next picture? It is something that you can also eat. It has a yellow part in the middle. What is that picture? It is an egg. Very good. It is an egg. How about the next picture? It is something that you can see in the road. And it has a sound of It has a red cross on its body. What is that car? What is that transportation? It is an ambulance. Very good. And the next picture, it is something that you need to wear when you need to cook something. It is an apron. Good job. Apron. Is your mommy wearing apron when they cook some cookies or food for you? Yes. How about the next picture? It is sometimes color white, it is sometimes color brown, and you put a paper on it so that it will become safe. What is that? It is an envelope. Very good. How about the next one? It is a little house, but you can only see it in a very cold place. Where is a very cold place? There's a lot of penguins there. And it is very, very cold, and there's a lot of ice and snow around it. You cannot find it here because it is not cold. It is on, this is where the Eskimo lives. It is an igloo. How about the next one? It is something that you can find under the water, under the sea. It has plenty of hands. They're big and they're small of it. And it is the octopus. How about the next one? Teacher, it's raining already. What do we need to bring out? What do we need to put outside? So that we're not going to be hit by the rain. What is that? It is an umbrella. What's an umbrella now? Or a raincoat. You need to wear a raincoat so that you're not going to have some rain. Next, it is something that you can find in the church. They're very good. They have wings. They can fly. It is an angel. Who wants to become an angel? Okay, can you all please have some angel clap, everybody? 1, 2, whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Woo. Our angels are behaved? Yes. How about you? Are you behaved? Yes, you need to behave everywhere. When you're at home, when you're here in the school. And the next picture is something that you can find in the ship. So that the ship will not move. You need to throw it on the water. It's very hard. It's very big. And it is an anchor. Okay. Now, do we have some pictures left? No more. How many pictures do we have here on the board? Everybody, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, what's the first picture? It is the apple. All together say apple. Loves to eat apple. Very good. Teacher also loves to eat apple because it's very delicious. How about the next one? What is this picture? It is an ambulance. Can you please give me the sound of an ambulance? Wee-oo, wee-oo. The next one, say apron. Apron. Because during our time, we're also using apron so that our uniform will not get dirty because of the paint. The next one is an angel. All together, say angel. Say hi, angel. The next picture is anchor. All together, say anchor. How about in the side? There are 5 more pictures left here. What is the first picture? It is an egg. All together, say egg. Who gives us egg? It's a chicken. You can find chicken. And the next one is envelope. All together, say envelope. Envelope. And an igloo. 9th picture is the octopus. All together, say octopus. There. And the last picture is an umbrella. Okay, can you all please read it again? All together, say apple, ambulance, apron, angel, anchor, egg, envelope, igloo, octopus, umbrella. Now, you look at the first letter of each picture. Look at all the pictures here. Look at all the words. What are their first letter? It's letter A. Teacher, how are you going to write letter A? Again, always remember blue, red, and blue line. All together, right hand up. Where's your right hand? How about your left hand? Again, so right hand up. Can you all please write letter A in the air? 1 stop, 2 stop, 3 stop. How about small letter A? 1 stop, 2 stop. Again, let us write letter A. 1 stop, 2 stop, 3 stop. How about small letter A? 1 stop, 2 stop. What is the sound of letter A again? Letter A says A. How about the next letter? It begins with letter E. Begins with letter I. Begins with letter O. Begins with letter U. But first thing that we're going to do is we're going to discuss first all about letter A. Now we're going to say by letter E, by letter I, by letter O, and by letter U. And we're going to say hi to letter A. Now, can you please give me now other pictures that begins with letter A? I still have more 3 pictures here that begins with letter A. It is something that you use when you need to cut a wood. It's very sharp. Only old person or only adult person can use it. You cannot use it. It's an all together, say axe. Again, say axe. How about the next picture? You can find it when you're going to go up the stairs. It is something pointed up, down, left, or right. What do you call this? It is an arrow. All together, say arrow. Now, where's the arrow pointed now? Is it going up or down? It's going up. And then the next one, it is an insect. It is a very small insect. If it is color black, it is a good insect. How about if it is a color red, it is something that can bite you. It's very itchy. What is that? It is an ant. It is a very, very small insect. There, all together, say ant. How many pictures now do we have? Let's begin with letter A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, what are their first letter? Letter A. And the sound of letter A is A. Now, can you please go to the board and then circle letter A? After encircling letter A, now, I'm going to give you now a picture. I will let you choose a picture and you use that picture in a sentence. For example, the apple is color red. Do you all agree that the apple is color red? Yes. How about the next one? The ambulance is what? Raise your hand if you want to answer. Okay, thank you. Next, apron. What can you say something about the apron? Very good. How about the angel? Raise your hand. Thank you so much. And the next is anchor. Okay. The next is axe. How about an arrow? You can tell me a sentence using the word arrow. And the last picture is ant. Okay, everybody, can you all please give now a 1 yes clap? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Again, I want to hear a very loud sound of yes clap. 1, 2, 3. Stomp your foot 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And you shout yes. One more time. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now, are you all ready now to answer your worksheet? Yes or no? Can you all please bring up your pencil quietly and also your crayons? Teacher will give you a paper. And then, in the first picture, you're going to color the ant. The name of the ant is Anton. Say hello, Anton. And you're going to trace letter A. Again, how do we write letter A? Right hand up again. 1 stop, 2 stop, 3 stop. How about small letter A? 1 stop and 2 stop. And in the next picture, in the next page, say hello, next page. There. Mark with check mark if the picture begins with letter A. And then put an X mark if the picture doesn't begin with letter A. The first one, and. Does it begin with letter A? What are we going to do? Check or X? Say check. How about an orange? Check or X? X. How about an axe? Check or X? Check. Because the picture begins with letter A, you need to put a check mark. And then the picture that begins with other letter, like the vowel letters E, I, O, and U, you put an X mark. Okay. Are you ready now? All together, say, yes, we are. Thank you.